Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Sandra's Play Place. So today, I am going to show you guys these three top basic gadgets that are going to keep you all the way together. Now, some of you guys might already know what these items can do, but I'm going to refresh in your memory, okay? Because some of us have forgotten how great these basic necessities can be. So, we got the Bluetooth. Bluetooth can keep you hands free. Okay, so you don't have to be holding your phone and, getting distracted. Okay, so it's a very great thing to have. Bluetooth headset, aka wireless earphones. Okay, next up is the dash and windshield smartphone extendable mount. Okay, this contraption keeps your phone where it needs to be. Okay, so you're not, again, having it in your hands. I prefer my car mount to be on the dashboard, by the way, because it's just better that way. And then it to be all up in the window shield and in my way. So, anyways, moving on. As you guys can see, the camera is focused on the Echo Show, brought to you by Alexa. And oh my goodness. If you want to see what is going on in your own home right from your cell phone, this is that. It doesn't take a lot to set up. It's very, very simple. So you're going to love it, and it's great security to have. Okay? Peace.